Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the Facebook chat plugin to your Wix site. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional chat button on your website, making it super easy for visitors to reach out to you through Facebook Messenger. This is a great way to boost engagement and provide customer support directly from your site, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the Wix App Market. You'll find this in your site's dashboard. Just look in the menu, it's usually labeled App Market. Once you're inside, we want to search for Facebook Chat. Type that precisely into the search bar and hit enter. Don't rush here, sometimes there are a few similar options, but what we're looking for is the Facebook Start Chat button. Once you spot the Facebook Start Chat button app, go ahead and click on it. You'll see an option to add to site. Tap that button and Wix will take care of installing the plugin for you. It'll direct you to the settings page for Facebook Start Chat button. Now on this page, find the toggle switch that lets you activate the chat button and simply turn it on. Don't worry if it looks basic at first, we're going to customize it in just a moment. At this point, you'll notice there are a ton of customization options available. You can add a person's avatar. This is a neat way to make the chat feel personal. For example, if you use your own photo, it reassures your visitors that they're chatting with a real person, not a faceless bot. You can also adjust the chat's appearance, so if your site has a specific color scheme, take a minute to match the chat window for a seamless look. Next, let's set up chat messages. These are the first messages people see when they open the chat, so it's helpful to write something friendly and inviting like, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" Think of it as your site's digital handshake. You'll also notice options for contact links, available schedule, and even design tweaks. If you have specific hours when you're available to chat, setting the schedule helps manage your visitors' expectations. You can also fine-tune how the button interacts with users, like whether it pops up right away or only appears after certain action. All these details make a big difference in how approachable your site feels. If you're feeling adventurous, there are more chat channel options including Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Discord, and others. Just a heads up though, Wix limits free usage for some of these channels, so if you want to add more advanced features or multiple chat buttons, you'll need to upgrade to the paid version. No pressure, just something to keep in mind as your site grows. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, go ahead and click Publish Changes within the plugin settings. This part might take a few moments as Wix saves your updates. When you see confirmation, head back to your main site dashboard and click Publish there too. This makes sure your new chat plugin appears on your live site. Now for the best part, visit your actual website just like a visitor would. Scroll down to the bottom right corner and you should see the Facebook chat button pop up, ready to help your users connect with you instantly. If it's not displaying right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a minute for updates to show up, or you might need to clear your cache and refresh the page. And that's it, you've successfully added the Facebook chat plugin to your Wix site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into issues, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more website tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.